When you see the J-16 up close, its sheer size is immediately striking standing next to it. Even a full-grown person looks tiny compared to its tail nozzle. This heavy fighter is one of the largest jets currently in service with the Chinese Air Force, and its imposing presence is unmistakable. In terms of dimensions, the J-16 measures 21.9 meters in length, has a wingspan of 14.7 meters, and a height of 6.36 meters. Its maximum takeoff weight reaches 36 tons, while its empty weight is around 17.7 tons, making it considerably larger than the J-10C, and even slightly bigger in visual presence than the J-20. The twin turbofan engines feature impressively large nozzles, giving the aircraft a powerful and aggressive rear profile. With 12 external hardpoints, it can carry up to 12 tons of payload, including bombs or advanced electronic pods, earning its reputation as a bomb truck. Its light gray stealth coating is meticulously applied, blending classic Su-27 family aerodynamics with advanced Chinese avionics and weapon systems. Every detail of the J-16 reflects power, versatility, and modern combat capability. Its combination of size, firepower, and technological sophistication makes it an essential multi-role heavy fighter, capable of delivering precision strikes while maintaining a commanding presence in the sky.